Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life, and today I've got a special treat because I'm in Pumpkin House. And I'm just about to say hello to Evie,
Hello.
who's busy polishing a pumpkin or sanding.
I start slowly to paint one pumpkins, and I make shiny with this. I don't know what is this.
Sandpaper? Or,
Yes.
Yeah, sandpaper.
So sometimes it's mess, and I make with this one off. And after I start to put the color slowly. I put the color a little bit here. Okay. And I start to put the first line for a hand. So, okay. And after, slowly, I make the face.
It's quite a transformation, isn't it?
And I put all the colors for the hair, for the face. I need a lot of job in the face.
Sure.
It's not finished. When I finish, it's matte. And my husband is hyperman, make furniture, so we put in the varnish in the top with the compressor and make shining. You don't see any brush in it because it's not with the brush. It's compressor.
Yeah, that's lovely.
And this varnish is a big production for these pumpkins because it's 2-3 millimeter, so it's waterproof. You can put outside in the sun, in the raining, and it's okay. We don't have any problem. And stay long time. I have pumpkins from 1939 from my grandfather, and it's okay. I don't
These
have
are your
anything.
shoes, aren't they?
Yes.
Because was it your granddad who was the
Yes.
cobbler?
It's my family story there. My grandfather makes shoes, so I have boxes of them, and I start to make shining, and after I paint. Some of them I find with the leather. You see?
Oh, got you, yeah.
Yes. Start to make shoes, but stop. So this one is leather, and it's very old. It's a format for a shoes, this one. And after I make shining, and I make this one. Oops, everything here. You have a lot of things here. Yeah.
Look at that. Very nice.
And also I make the lamps. Make abajur.
Good. And from what you were saying, you're having to restock now, aren't you?
Yes.
Because you sold lots down at the harbour over the last during the summer.
Yeah.
I noticed that the pumpkins are definitely a lot fewer of them.
I start to
good.
make, yes, it's a good because I stay 2.5 months in the harbour and I sell all my things because it's a unique piece and the tourists and the Cypriot people buy. I don't have a lot of Cypriot people, but the tourists love these things.
Excellent.
So,
Show me what's through here.
Yes, let's go in this room. You don't see anymore because I have only these pumpkins and I start to paint.
You've got to get back to grindstone, haven't you? Well, we've just seen you doing it.
Yeah. And also make this one here.
Windmills, yeah. Right, let's go around in this
Make
direction.
the old brush.
I like these paintbrushes. This is
Yeah.
how to recycle art, basically. Not art, but how to recycle stuff into art. Paintbrushes. And you got the first of your Christmas,
Yes.
dare I say it, decorations going up. And these lovely windmills. And one of the things I've always liked about Pumpkin House, though, is that it's not just stuff that wealthy people can get. I mean, like with the stuff here, there's 10 euros, 15 euros. There's a little
€5.
Yeah, €5. I mean, my daughter could buy something here quite happily.
And also I make
But
this
these,
job.
yeah, these are very nice.
Yeah.
And these cost more than €5.
No, it's a lot of job in it.
Oh,
and
sure.
Also, it's expensive. This kind of glaze is drying on there. It's not. I don't put in the fire, so it's more expensive, and it's a lot of job in it. I love to make this job, and also the people love to buy. Yeah.
Yes, they make great wedding gifts. There's bridesmaids and the bride. That's nice and nice. Right, let's have a look at the pumpkins themselves.
The pumpkins. Maybe next week I have some, but now.
Well, it's a good position to be in where you have to make more because you've sold them.
Yeah.
Right, I'm avoiding the light of the window, so I'm going around this way if you're wondering why I'm taking a weird route. Oh, these little acorns are cute. They're little earrings made out of actual acorns. Use or not.
And also the traditional dress of dolls. The dolls is the face is porcelain, and I make the dress.
Very nice. And these pictures here were an illustration for a
It's the
book,
first
weren't
book
they?
when I start to learn Greek in Cyprus. Until 1973, change, bring new one from Greece. So I paint all the icons from here.
Oh. Maybe I should use that to improve my Greek.
Yeah. And I paint the wood. I love to paint the wood because I have a lot of piece of wood.
And I'll just
And
pan round briefly to show you. These are from a friend of yours, you were saying, aren't they? These little things up here. And the tradition of some of the archaeological discoveries they've made in Cyprus.
So what I make?
There's a couple of pomegranates. I'll just come round and trying desperately not to knock over anything.
And not in the weekend I make this job.
Sorry?
In the weekend I make this job. It's brush. And I make Santa Claus with this one. It's not old, it's new, this one.
Yeah. So I just saw that.
And also this one is one orten, one man make orten in Limassol, this face.
There's so much to choose from here. Let's have a quick look at some of the pictures at the end. Anyway, I shall put a map up now as to how you can find Pumpkin House, but it's basically right next to the new car park and bus station at the Market Theatre. And it's well worth your time to come and see Evie and what she's doing. Because if you're, especially with Christmas coming up, if you're looking for Christmas presents, you'll find plenty here. So Evie, well, thank you very much for showing us around.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And enjoy painting. Let's have a look at the final pumpkin she's got. She's got to get through all of these by the end of the week. Oh. So.
And also I make
Oh,
this
one
one.
more.
The
Oh,
last,
yes.
I bring today. I put behind the magnet, and I bring today.
And also they work as coasters as well, don't they?
Yes, it's
Okay.
2 in 1.
Tell you what, I'll actually go outside and have a finishing shot of the shop front to make it easier for people to find. Okay? So bye, Evie.
Bye.
Hang on. Right, this is going to get weird now because it's indoor light, so excuse the dazzle. But there's the Markadeo Theatre. That's the rest of Old Town over there. And that is Pumpkin House. Thanks for watching.